understanding head drop. When you're talking about just a general thing, I don't see a video. To me, I can do an encyclopedia just on head drop. It could be happening just from birth. There's some wild stories. Felipe is just doing it with his nephew at the moment, where pediatricians said to lay the child down and put a towel over the child, and so they can strengthen their neck muscles. My gosh, I wouldn't even do that in the gym. So there shouldn't be a per se drop ever in the head. Yes, a newborn baby, you have to support the head and you have to hold it like that, but you shouldn't have where the head actually just wants to fall. There's no such thing as lifting the head in tummy time. It's the tummy time that pubic bone goes down and brings the head up, but a baby doesn't lift their head. Again, that's another misconception. The head is connected to the whole skeletal system. So when a baby is born vaginally, the chances are that the gravity and the oxygenation of the bone is lifting the head up, so you have that better head control. C-section babies, for this reason, have a much higher chance of having head control issues, especially if they were grabbed by the feet or the arms or something like that to be pulled out of the belly versus presenting head first. And so then you have issues there. Another problem is when you don't have good vision or binocular vision. So what a child is doing, they're lifting their head with their eyes like this. And see, right now I can't see you. I don't have convergence because I'm busy lifting my head. But now let's say I converge to go see you. And when that happens, guess what? I'm going to do this because I'm not lifting my head anymore. And that's where you have the head drop as well. Shunts and a lot of skull surgeries can also add to that because the oxygenation in the skeletal system and the cranial bone is not the same as it would, especially if there's scar tissue up there. And so again, the skull can't work freely in moving that way, and you have that instability. Also, too, in their vestibular system, especially if there's a hip subluxation, and they're positioned in a way, especially with coxavalga as well with the femurs, and they're going past their midlines and so forth, they'll get the head drop that way as well. So those are some of the things that you can be concerned about, but specifically how it affects your child, I don't have a video, so I don't know.